What's up, guys? Just out here on another little fishing trip. This time we're in the jungle, chasing some late season bass. We've had a few cool days this week. This is the first warmer one, so hopefully that means that the bass will be on. Look at this, eh? It's a nice drop off just here. Alright, let's see if we can get a fish out of this spot. You see there's a nice big fallen log over there that's running all the way down into the water. Another fallen log over here on the other side of this tree. Some snaggy stuff over that side. There for now. We'll bring it back past here. Try underneath that tree. All I'm doing here is just like letting the lure land, waiting for the ripples to dissipate, and then just a couple of twitches and wind up the slack, trying to keep the lure in the strike zone for as long as possible without pulling it out. So either underneath that branch over there, or right beside this snag, or on top of where I think that other snag runs out from over there. And just giving it those twitches and then waiting for the ripples to dissipate from those twitches as well. You can see a spinnerbait sitting on the end of a log. There's a log that runs all the way along here, just to these. About halfway out right there. About halfway out just there. Looks like a spinnerbait snagged on the end. See if I can unsnag it and hook it. Oh, no. I actually lost a spinnerbait in here last session, so I wonder if this is mine. I lost it around here, except I was over there or over there, so I couldn't really tell where I snagged it. It's the right colour. I'm not going to get it. Oh my god. Oh, it is mine. How cool is that? Hey? Yeah, that's the one I lost. Yes. That is sweet. Hell yeah. You are going straight back in there. How cool was that? It was literally like, I don't know, 5 meters from the bank. And last time I was out here, I was over that other side over there somewhere. I can't remember if I was there or over the other side there, casting this way. And I'd caught one fish. And then the next cast after that, I snagged it and snapped it off, couldn't get it out. That is so cool. So when you can't catch fish, just catch lures. Works just as good. I haven't really fished this end much. I usually walk upstream from that hole. I'm just gonna go sort of like 2 or 3 casts in each spot now. Just keep moving along until I start getting hits. Might change the lure every sort of second or third time or something. I don't know. I'm just talking crap now. Let's do another lure change. Not feeling that one. Go with the pumpkin seed. That's what we're throwing. Looks good. Let's see how that goes. Fish the bottom a little bit now. Later on in the year, the bass will move down all of this, down into the brackish. And we've caught upstream, back where I was fishing to start with, we've caught some 40+ centimeter fish up there. And they're gonna move down through all of this stuff to spawn down at the end of the river. It's crazy. What a log jam. Cross up into there. See if I can anyway. Find something solid to stand on here is a bit difficult. All right, we made it. Across that. Yeah. I refuse to believe that there are no fish in here anymore. Oh, there's one. Just like that, eh? Nice little spangled. Calm down, buddy. Little spangled perch. Well and truly swallowed that too. Oh, get out of here. Where'd you get pinned, mate? There we go. Very cool little fish, these guys. Just, yeah, pity they're not big enough. He's still green as. See you later, buddy. Not exactly the release I was hoping for, but we got a fish. Woohoo! Not a bass, but whatever. Is what it is. Let's get another one. Look at these. The freshwater mussel shells. You see these in a river. Pretty good sign that it's a healthy system. Seems solid. Seems falling out of the bank on the other side though. Oh, let's give it a crack. I mean, let's not give it a crack. Let's just walk it, hey? Woo! Might as well follow this river. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? A turtle shell. Other bits of him here as well. It's been here a while, it's very brittle. Look at that, just falling apart in my hand. Can you guys see that? I don't know. That's cool. It's like a saw shell. Put him back there where he was. It should be down there. Walking the banks. This creek, instead of up here where I am. Watch where you're walking. Look at that. The spikes. I think that's what we call a wait a while, because they make you wait a while if you get hooked up on them. No, I'm just going to slide down the bank here. Alright guys, I think I am going to call it here. I've walked a lot of the river today. I found some pretty specky looking spots that I'm definitely going to be back to. Just once the water warms up, the weather warms up a little bit. We're basically at the end of wild bass season at the moment. So you might see some more impoundment fishing now. rather than this Wild Creek stuff. And yeah, if any of you are wondering where I've been for the last couple of years, I just took a bit of a hiatus, to be honest. I got lazy. COVID made it really hard to do anything, to get out anywhere and do anything, so I kind of, you know, backed off the videos a little bit then. And then just got lazy. That's all there is to it. So yeah, but I'm back. I will be doing more videos. I'm going to be trying my best to get one of these little ones out every week, and then maybe a big one, like that more, you know, hour-long video camping trip thing once a month, or once every 3 weeks, something like that. But yeah, so if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more of it, feel free to subscribe, comment any suggestions, any thoughts, queries, comments. If you don't like something, throw it in a comment, dislike the video, whatever, I don't care. Do something, just engage. But if you do like it, like, comment, and subscribe, please. It helps a lot. Keeps me motivated to keep going. Gives me a good excuse to come out here and make these videos for you guys. So yeah, awesome guys. Thank you. We will see you on the next one, and have a good one. See ya.